name's Paul Smith, and I am the sales director at Site Supply Company based in Stockport, Manchester. Our old system was good. It served a purpose. It was in use by a lot of our clients, and it'd probably been in use for over 10 years. Big Red provided that refresh along with much better functionality. It was also really important for us to have a company that we felt we could forge a good working relationship with. The software is one thing, but the people behind it are something else. We really have forged a good relationship with Big Red, and the team were very reactive. Spoke to Roshi in the same day. We had a call set up for the following day, and it seemed to be providing everything I was looking for. I like the package essentially. One of the big ones was just the ease of integration with our ERP system. That was a major factor. So internally we use SAP B1. It was quite a straightforward task for Big Red to get the integration organised, and it worked from the outset. It wasn't a big deal. It was up and running pretty quick. And that just meant that orders go straight from the portal directly into our ERP system, which pretty much instantaneously. So it was fast, a lot faster than our previous system. And it also minimised human error. And literally within an hour to 2 hours, we can create a portal, have it up and running, build some basic allocations into there or spend limits. And then within a couple of hours, we can be sat there demoing a site with the client's branding, showing them the functionality, and they're just blown away by it, to be honest. So as a sales tool to actually win new business, it's been invaluable as well. And we have found recently, we've just won a large contract a few weeks ago, and they were amazed at the speed. Over the 26 years I've been in the industry, I've dealt with a lot of different software companies. Some have been good, some have been very, very bad. But yeah, Big Red, really friendly company. They do what they say they're going to do. Just a pleasure to work with, and I suppose ultimately we're happy with the end product that we've received, as are our clients. So it's one of those things that you get in business called a win-win. So yeah, absolutely, we would recommend them.